director, and staff, proud parents, and my fellow graduates, to our Honorable Rafi Biason and City Council, through Early Childhood Education Division, who support us in achieving our dreams by providing every school necessity. We are really grateful because of you. We are here standing today. I want to express my heartfelt thanks to our teacher Lubelia Lapita, who guided us with patience and kindness. You have been a role model. We will always cherish and remember the dedication to your profession and to us as students. To all parents who sincerely appreciate the unwavering support and helping your children to learn and grow with your honest love and guidance. Please accept our deepest gratitude for your tireless effort in making this day possible as we say goodbye to great kindergarten. Let's just carry the lesson we have learned and the memories we have shared. Congratulations, my dear friends, on this graduation. The world is waiting for us to spread our wings and soar to